Where is the email icon? How can I look at photos of my family?
We hear such questions from our grandparents all the time. Computers are everywhere, we use them every day. Modern operating systems simplify our work, but can be difficult for some people. Imagine you are 70. You don't know computers or how to control them. My grandmother has impaired vision and poor dexterity, so she can't operate a common desktop computer. And she is not alone in having such difficulties. In fact, there are nearly 117 million people aged 65 or over in the US. We offer these people a clear and simple solution, the Celebrio system.
So, what is Celebrio?
Celebrio, the operating system we have created, is designed specifically for people like you. Unlike conventional systems, Celebrio is made for people with poor vision, bad dexterity, or just plain old technophobia. Thanks to the touchscreen, you can control the system by the simple touch of your finger. It is much easier and simpler than using a keyboard and mouse.
Okay, so what does it look like?
You hold the tablet, which is a small, lightweight computer screen controlled by your touch. You can see large icons and simple applications such as email, TV, video calling and photo gallery. Online communication with your family has never been easier.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, but there are many more advantages. All your emails, contacts and photos are safely stored on remote servers, so you don't need to worry about them and you won't lose any data, even if your computer gets run over by a steamroller. The feeling of safety helps you to overcome a fear of computers and allows you to learn much faster than before. Celebrio has been designed to be as simple as possible to use. The system provides only basic options and applications that suit everyone. The user is thus shielded from settings that may be confusing for an elderly person who is unfamiliar with computers. This is the Celebrio system main screen. You can see a list of applications. In this list, we can scroll by dragging. Applications can be launched by pressing their icon. This is a simple email application. Of course, you can see received and sent emails here. Sending a message has never been easier. You just select any of your loved ones, you don't have to remember any email addresses. Running applications can be minimised by using the large icon in the bottom left-hand corner. Many applications can be run at a time, but only one of them is visible. Simple and easy. Furthermore, we can see in the example the Talker application. Again, you can see the list of your contacts with whom you can easily communicate. Using video calling, you can not only hear your loved ones, but also see them as they speak. This application is also very simple. It displays the current weather conditions and forecast for the next 2 days in your location. In Internet TV, you can choose from a menu of preset channels and stream them directly. It is simpler than common TV with all the buttons on the remote control. Other applications are currently under development. Existing applications are tested on a group of users and are further enhanced based on their comments.
And how does it work?
Let's have a look at some of the technology behind the system. All you have to do is to download and install our application. It has been built using Visual Studio, .NET Framework, C# and Windows Presentation Foundation. This application is the centerpiece that uses the internet to communicate with Windows Azure in Dublin. In Dublin, we now have 3 virtual servers, 2 as web roles and the last one as a worker role. There is automatic load balancing for web roles to ensure maximum service availability. Servers also use a central relational database, SQL Azure, a repository for structured data called Azure Storage Tables, and a repository for binary large objects called Azure Storage Blobs. We overcame many challenges during the development for Windows Azure in the distributed environment. These included load balancing, statelessness, local storage unpersistence on servers, centralized logging, centralized settings, the methodology of seamless upgrades, and recovery from the failure of critical hardware and software outside of Celebrio. From the beginning, we recognised the need to consult with experts as well as to test Celebrio directly with the actual target group of users. So we contacted representatives of the Department of Lifelong Learning at Maastricht University Rector's Office and got them excited about our project. Thanks to them, we have access to 1,700 older students who will be directly affected by our system. During the beta version testing, we had a very positive response. We have already been able to raise money to further develop the project. Together with the Rector's Office Department of Lifelong Learning, we are going to write a project based on the anticipated May summons of the Czech Ministry for Education, Youth and Sports. We have created a business plan and we actively consult with people from the South Moravian Innovation Centre. As we solve a very painful problem that no one else did, the media focused a lot on our project. Thanks to articles and TV spots in almost every Czech media outlet, Celebrio has become very famous and well known. As you can see, our Celebrio project has been shortlisted for the Idea of the Year, a national competition of business ideas and innovations. Even though there were many excellent ideas and business plans, Celebrio won first place. It's the Idea of the Year. We even beat much more experienced businessmen, since the competition was not only for students. Furthermore, as we are students, we have also won the Economist Student Entrepreneur Award. And one more thing. Celebrio has made a partnership with GINA, one of the success story teams of last year's Imagine Cup, and now even the elderly can use for their protection the power of software which saves lives in Haiti, Japan, and all over the world.